Alright, so we're on our second fold. So this is 40 minutes in to our sequence of 3 folds at 20-minute intervals. But before that, I'm also working up a multigrain bread, and it's due to be folded for its last time. And I wanted to show you the difference between the different types of breads. So this is a multigrain. It again is 8 loaves that I'm going to do, and it's quite different, quite stiff. And this one is a sourdough bread. And you have to be more careful with this, patient. You have to work it out slowly. It's essentially the same technique as with the ciabatta, but it's a much stiffer bread. And in this case, I don't want to break the dough, so I just gradually pull it out. It's working up nicely. As I mentioned in the last segment, it's a cool day. It's -10 outside. That's -10 Celsius. In here it's, what is it, 68 degrees in the bakery. Now I like it a little bit cooler in the bakery. I'm not, that gives me a much better chance of controlling the rise of the dough. If it's too hot in here, it works up too fast, it overproofs, and I'm done for the day. It's a one-way process here with getting the bread ready and on the right time for when the oven is ready. I use a wood-fired oven. I've had it fired up, it's closed up now. I'm waiting for it to cool down enough so I can start putting bread in. Well, it's usually about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Alright, so that's that. And the whole wheat bread, or sorry, the multigrain bread that I just stretched, that's its second fold. There's 2 of them with an hour interval in between the folds. This is my ciabatta. You should notice a bit of a change with it. It won't be nearly as sticky or loose. Much more elastic. And here I can actually start to do this by hand. And don't be shy with the flour. Alright, so you see it's already quite different. Holds together much better. So if you run out of space on your table, you can just fold in part of it and stretch it out again. Because the center part, you can miss that. I start folding it up like this. And so you see it's a lot easier to handle already. And that's it for another 20 minutes.